All right, we did one of these earlier in the lesson. I showed you how to do it both by hand and using the Desmos matrix calculator. So I don't know, I think the other time I did it in the Desmos matrix calculator first. So what we did is we started out by remembering that a quadratic equation in standard form looks like ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. And so here, if they're telling me this, the 0 is the x and the 9 is the y. So I'm going to plug those in here. So I have a times 0 squared plus b times x of, again, of 0 plus c, and it equals my y of 9. Now, sometimes they don't give you the 0 and 9, and they give you numbers. If they don't give you any of those with a 0 in them, it's not so easy to do it by hand. So you want to know the matrix method. So I will do that, but I'm going to finish this method first by hand because these are set up to be able to do it that way. The next one, I've got a times x, which is 2 squared, plus b times x again of 2, plus c, I don't know, equals my y of 15. And then the third one, the third point, the a times x 4 squared plus b times x 4 plus c equals the y of 5. All right, so the first one is already solved because these, they gave me everything. These canceled out, so I just had c equals 9. So once I know c is 9, I can put that in these spots. So then this one's going to be 4a plus 2b, and if I subtract that 9 to the other side, 15 minus 9 is 6. And the next equation is going to be 16a plus 4b equals, subtract 9 to the other side there, 5 minus 9 is negative 4. All right, now we elimination method in here. I'm thinking, I don't know, let's do a negative 4 here, because that'll make this one into a negative 16a, and negative 4 there times that 2 would be a negative 8b, and negative 4 times that 6 would be a negative 24. So when I combine these two equations, those a's cancel. These are going to add up to, like I'm adding them together. Positive 16, negative 16 cancel. 4b and negative 8b, negative 4b, and then negative 20. So now I got b equals, if you divide it by the negative 4, whoops. And that's a 5. So I've got my c was 9, my b was 5. I got to just do one more here, use one of the equations. I don't know, I'll use this one. So I had 4 times a, I don't know a yet, 2 times b, which was, oh, I got something messed up there. Let me get that out of there. 4 times a plus 2 times b, and we just got b of 5. And it equaled 6. So that's 10. So all right, I think I lost part of my screen there. I was almost done with that problem. So see if this is still working. We'll keep going here. We had C was 9, and then I had 4a plus 2b equals plus 9 equals 15, and I had 16a plus 4b plus 9 equals the 5, and we subtracted those to the other side. So we had 4a plus 2b equaled 6, and 16a plus 4b equaled -4 if I subtract 9 from that 5. Doing it really fast. I hope I didn't make a mistake. And then multiplied by a -4. So this was -16. I'm multiplying this and writing it down here. -16a, -8b, and -4, -24. So that was -4b equaled. I felt like this was a 20. So I thought I got b equals, or a -20. Is this a +4 up here? No, because the way I'm getting this right now would get a -28, and that would be b was 7. So I got B7, C9, and then I was going to put it back into like one of these. 4a, I don't know, plus 2 times 7 equals 6, minus 14, that'd be a -8. 4a, divide by 4, I got a -2 for a. And so my answer there, just in case this crashes on me, I want to finish this out. -2 for my a, x squared, arrow to the right, plus bx, and b was 7, and then plus c, and c was 9. So let's see if that was the correct answer when I did it by hand first. But even if it's not, you get the idea. And then, well, let's run over. I wanted to go over and do this on the matrix. So remember when we put in the first point, the 0, it was going to be 0a plus 0b plus 9, or plus 1 c, because these are all ax plus, I mean, ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. So if they put in zeros for the x's there, let's see, I got this one spot. That would be a 1. My y was 9, and then if you go to the next one, that's putting the 2 here and here. So that's 2 squared, which is 4a plus 2b plus 1c equals the y. There was 15. And keep going. The 4 squared would be 16a plus 4b plus 1c equals the y of 5. So our matrix, again, if you remember how that goes, would be 0, 0, 1, 9 for that first row, the 4, 2, 1, 15 on the second row, the 16, 4, 1, 5 on that third row, and we'd go reduced row echelon when we get over, go to the Desmos calculator again, remember, desmos.com. Get these out. Oh, I gotta get to the matrix calculator. Take that out. Yep, leave there. Go to the matrix calculator. And we need a new matrix. And remember, this is 3 rows and 4 columns. And you just type them in. 0, 0, 1, 9, the first row that we had in blue there. 4, 2, 1, 15, the second row. 16, 4, 1, and the 5. And we enter that in. And then we want to put it in reduced row echelon. And when you do the reduced row echelon there, the 1, 0, 0 in the first row, that was the, this is for your A, this is for your B, this is for your C. So that's your A, there's your B, and there's your C. Just like we got when we did it over here. The A, the -2. Let's see if we can see this a little better if I clean some of that out of there. And The A is the -2, the B is the 7, and the C is the 9. So that's how you can do it with the matrices if you like that method. And sometimes you need it also when they don't tell you, just like the C was going to be 9. So hope that helps. Good luck, everybody.